Hey everyone, this is Before Club Therapy, Superman Barrow, Director of Human Performance Sciences. I'm going to show you how to put on a hyperized Normatec 3.0. First, I'm going to sit down in the zero gravity chair, and first things first, to take our shoes off. Put them over to the side. Once we take our shoes off, we're going to grab one of the leg sleeves. Two ways you can slide the sleeve on with unzipped or zipped. I like them zipped because I can slide right in. Put leg in, one sleeve at a time. And what you do is slide all the way up. Make sure you're grabbing the bottom, pull it up. Then I grab next leg boot. Zip it up. Slide the leg all the way through. Grabbing underneath. Pull it all the way through. Now sit back. Now turning on the Normatec. The Normatec, there is a side button you hit for the on button. And when you turn it on, it should automatically go to 15 minutes. What you do is click legs, hips, or arms. Since it's legs, keep it on legs. Also, if you want to switch it, you hit the button, hips, arms, and now back to legs. This is the level pressure. I always keep it on 7 to feel the full effect, but if you ever want to turn it down, you just hit the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If this is your first time, I recommend 4 or 5, but if not, 7 is recommended. Zone boost, this is the level of area you want to focus on. There's more inflammation, more areas of soreness. You could pick what zone you want to do. Zone 1 is to the feet. Zone 2 is on the calf. Zone 3 is in the knee. Zone 4 is lower quad. Zone 5 is upper quad. I don't need mine on, so I just leave it off. 15-minute increments, you can have it on 15, hit time for 30, hit time for 45, hit time for 1 hour, or back to 15. Once you're done with your settings, you're going to grab the hose, and what you're going to do, you're going to test the hose to the attachment, button up, and then it will click. Up where you see the hyperized symbol. Next one, same thing, button up, match it in, click. Once you click, all you do is hit the start button. Once you hit the start button, lay back and enjoy.